Okay, wasn't ready for it. I'm catching up. Woo. Good morning. Welcome to Cheeks Will Ride. It is day 3, the last riding day of this trip. And if you watched the previous video, you might remember that I had a bad connection on my GPS/CarPlay unit. And today I want to explore some new areas, and I don't have to stop, look at a paper map, or pull out my phone or anything like that. So first task of the day is to try to fix that. Problem is I don't have any electrical connectors. Fortunately, there's a hardware store about 2 miles away. That's convenient. So I'm gonna run down there real quick, see if I can get some stuff to fix this, get back on the road.
All the big projects that I count on to feel like
Hello.
How's it going?
Doing all right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here, bro. Out 5.
This guy's like me, does not like trailers. Another guy like me does not like trailers. Okay, I got it fixed up. Turns out it was a bad switch all along. The wiring was fine, so I had to bypass the switch with some spade connectors. Hopefully I don't forget to turn it off and run the battery down. But I've wasted most of my day laying around and fixing this thing. So I'm gonna have a little bit of an abbreviated route today. I still got a good 130 miles planned. They're forecasting rain about 3, so it only gives me a few hours. And honestly, any of these clouds could hold rain at any time. So I'm just gonna not think about it. Ready to hit the road, see what happens. All right, now we are on Bristol Head. Never done this before. Supposed to have a cool peak to check out. It's an out and back. Whoa. Okay, right off the bat, it's gonna be fun. That's a lot deeper than it looked. Okay, wasn't ready for it. I'm catching up. Anyway, never done this before. Probably should have checked the difficulty a little better before I added it to the route, but let's see what happens. Well, I thought I fixed it. Maybe I didn't. It just reset again. I'm going to stop and push that connector a little tighter. I left it a little loose, thinking it'd be easy for me to disconnect it whenever I stop, but that's probably stupid. Alright, back in action. See if that makes a difference. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. What's with all the water? On the ground, falling out of the sky. Getting wetter and colder. I guess they decided that road sucked, so they're just gonna make a new one over here. Oh boy. Heck of a rock garden they're growing here. I don't see a good line, do you? Oh boy. Are we there yet? Huh. Bunch of radio antennas up here. Whoa. Wow. Heck yeah. Cool if there was a trail that went over there. I'm gonna go see where that goes. I think it might go a little ways over there. Oh, come on, I want to go up there. No motor vehicles. Ah. Spoil the funds. Forest Service? I guess I can hike out there. Foot and horse travel permitted. Alright, so that was Bristol Head. I'm up here at the top. It's about 12,700 feet. Perfect service. Who thought it with those radio towers up here? I checked the weather. Looks like there's a storm moving in from all sides. And you know what? I'm on top of this mountain. I can tell there's a storm moving in from all sides. Looks like my best option is to hightail it to Lake City. Maybe wait it out in Lake City. Maybe have some lunch. There's no way to get back to the van without going right through it. So that's the plan. Hiking back to Norden now. Bet I get wet.
The lightning shows my weakness, the thunder knows my secrets, the storm is like a brother, it knows me like no other.
Well, I made it to Lake City after it rained on me all the way back from Bristol Head. I thought after a $28 chicken fried steak in 2 hours, I could wait out the rain. But it's still raining, and the radar looks like it's gonna rain for another 2 hours. It's 6 o'clock. I gotta get back to the van. I knew it was gonna rain, I still came unprepared. That's what happens. But I came over here to the general store. Nice lady hooked me up with this raincoat and even a long sleeve shirt to put on underneath it so I could be a little less miserable on the way back to Creede. If you're in Lake City and need some souvenirs, come to the general store. Unfortunately, I think this is where this ride and this trip is gonna end. I gotta get loaded up so I can head back to Arkansas. Well, I drove a few hours off of it last night and finished it off today. It is 90 degrees here. I was literally shivering less than 24 hours ago. And now I'm back to the oven. Well, at least I'm back home safe, no breakdowns or anything. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Got plenty of riding in.
All I know, you can keep your sunshine story.